So you hear people in sales talk about value proposition, okay? In real estate, what's your value proposition? Well, you have to reverse engineer that. What does the seller want? They want to sell their house for more money than it's worth. Isn't that true? If you had your house for sale and there was some way to sell it for more than it's worth, wouldn't you want to do that? I don't mean more than the asking price. I don't mean more than the appraisal price. I mean more than it's worth, and net, after all expenses are paid, more than they could get any other way with any other agent or without an agent. That's what every seller wants. So why don't we give them what they want? What if you're a buyer? Don't you want to get the best house of all the houses that are available to you for the amount of money you've got? Okay, maybe that to give you a clue what your value proposition might be. If you're an investor, don't you want to get the highest rate of return? If you're a real investor, the only thing you care about is getting the highest rate of return and not doing it risky, doing it safely. So at Fearless Agent, we understand that. So we teach you the value proposition, the right value proposition for the right client. So we do business completely differently than all other agents. So if somebody says, why should I do business with you? You'd say, well, because I do business completely differently than all other agents, and it virtually guarantees you of two things. One is that your house will actually sell. And number two is you'll end up with way, way more money, bottom line, than you could get with any other agent or any other way. Would you say that's definitely what you're looking for? Now that's the basic version of our value proposition. We teach you a more advanced, better version than that when you're a coach, when you're in coaching. But if you think your skills could be improved, if you think your schedule could be improved, if you think your systems could be improved, we're here to help you improve. Maybe you need a coach. So call me anytime, 480-385-8810. That is my cell phone. I'll probably answer. If not, I'll call you right back. And also go to fearlessagent.com, click on the webinar in the upper right-hand corner of the banner. Watch that, take notes, go to fearlessagent.tv, which is where you are now, and subscribe. You can listen to our podcast at fearlessagentpodcast.com. Give me a call. Let's do a little complimentary coaching call. I will not be closing you at the end of that call. We'll just be trying to find out if it's a good fit for you. If it is, you'll probably get rich. If it's not a good fit, we'll still help you in some other ways. But either way, let's find out if we can make you a fearless agent. Thanks.